Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
While the SIR is commendable step, I wish to draw attention of the continuing issue of names of deceased person remaining on the electoral roll for extended period. Despite that being duly registered with government authorities, the corresponding deletion from the electoral rolls are often delayed or not initiated, which affect electoral integrity and create scope for misuse.
I am further happy to announce that my government will formulate a mechanism so as to ensure a timely deletion of the name of the deceased person from the electoral. The mechanism will be developed in the consensus with the Election Commission of instructions.
There is no mechanism yet during the SIR to detect foreign nationals or out-of-state duplicate registrations. Special intensive revision has broken families. Husband is mapped, wife is not mapped. It has broken voter chains. It has created mass instability in the rolls. जे म्हणजे शेकड्यांनी वर्षांची हिस्ट्री आशिल्ले लोक तांकां कोण येवन येता हें विचारता बरे बरे लोक सादे लोक न्ही पूण अचूक बीजेपीक मत मानना तेच लोक हे म्हज्या मतदारसंघांत तरी म्हजे कडेन केस आहा.
Deletion of voters, you have to give a notice to the electors who are on the roll. In the Bihar SIR case, when it was being fought, the Election Commission came to the Supreme Court and said, no voter will be deleted without giving notice.
दोन डिवोलोटिंग करून हे गोंयान करता आनी भायरूय करता. आतां तेंच्यांनी विलिंगली फॉर्म सबमीट करपाक जाय. ते जेन्ना विचारता तेन्नाच तांकां कळटा की बाबा तुजें डिवोलोटिंग आसा. तेणेन समज सांगलें, समज कर्नाटकाचो कोणी येयलो आनी तेणें सांगलें की आपणाचो आसा डिवोलोटिंग आनी ते आपूण फॉर्म कॅन्सील करपाक रेडी आसा, तेन्नाच ते कॅन्सील करता. नाजाल्यार ते कॅन्सील करना.
13 जे डॉक्युमेंट्स दिल्या पळय न्ही ते नॅशनॅलिटी प्रूव्ह करपा खातीर तेंच्यांनी दिल्ले डॉक्युमेंट जेणे करून हातूंतल्यान नॅशनॅलिटी प्रूव्ह जावची आनी ते उरचे.